Good morning, guys. I had like a 1 week with my sink didn't work, and see, now my sink is working perfectly. I use this product. I went to Lowell and buy this and follow the instruction, and now my sink is working perfectly. So guys, before to call the plumber, use that product and follow the instruction. So I just put my sink dry, then I add 1.5 cup of this product and leave it there for 20 minutes. They say leave it for 50 minutes, so I give an extra 5 minutes. And now my sink is working perfectly. So guys, before to call the plumber, so try this, guys. Have a great day, guys.